just at Troy's house this afternoon.
So right, we're just getting some worm farm bedding block. We place it in the water and it expands and becomes like earthworm bedding. So we've got this brand new earthworm farm here. This bought from Aldi, just $59.95. Get into it, right?
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
See if it works.
Oh yeah, we got some action there. Look at that. Whoa, expanded. Oh, look at, hey. Look at that. It's like solid.
This is Troy harvesting the worms.
I'm just gonna chuck like a whole bunch of stuff in there. I don't know what it is. Done. There you have it. A couple of months probably, and then they should have the population to double every 2 to 4 months or something. Yeah.
This is United We Stand 2016. It's gonna be an awesome night. United We Stand 2016. Ben's doing some lighting for me today. Show us your light. Yeah, sick, bro. So we are here near Enzo's. We're doing a video shoot today, this morning. The good thing about this video is we get to showcase off Hervey Bay, so pretty excited for that. We're going to get a few shots at the pier, then at Enzo's, and then we'll be just chilling, getting some sweet footage of Hervey Bay, see what Hervey Bay has to offer. Alright, we just wrapped up shooting this morning with Angus. It went pretty sweet. We were pretty hot though, but a nice day out today. Ben helped out with the lighting, did a good job. And we're just gonna have some lunch. Plus, we've got a racing drone that we're gonna test out. And Ben got his license now, so he's driving me around. Alright, so we got the Yixing Falcon 250. It's got our onboard camera on there. I upgraded from the 3S to the 4S batteries there, so that should give it a bit more boost. I don't exactly know what I'm in for. Now we're out into the open field, so no chance of damaging stuff. We can see you, Ben.
Oh, it's trippy.
Pretty cool, eh? You ready to go? I'm just gonna try and hover it.
Castle.
I think we might end the episode there, guys, so bit of an adventure, I think. And next time we might try and get the GoPro. Wait, no, we won't get the GoPro because I'll probably destroy the GoPro. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Bit of fun, and we'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.